Okay, I'm sorry about that. My computer crashed. Right. So I changed his name to Joe. I think that's where we were. I forgot. That was like a 30-minute crash. I need a new PC actually. But I changed his name to Joe. Joe. And yeah, Joe. Joe and Bane. Joe and Bane. I like that, Joe and Bane. Dialogues. I'm gonna go to Joe. Put Joe in here, this folder. Alright, so intro. Okay. Okay. Joe's name queue. Alright, so I have to re-download that wave player. Perfect. I already have the attenuation. So I'm just gonna import downloads Bane talks Joe's name. Perfect. Drag this here. Joe's name. Let's make sure everything's playing. Play.
You can call me Joe.
Nothing's playing. Nothing is playing. Yes.
Welcome to my tutorial series. Here you will learn how to create a basic controller for a humanoid character. I will go over animation blueprints, character movement logic, data assets, enums, potentially gameplay tags, animation montages, animation... You can call me Joe.
There you go. Joe. Okay. Cool. Stop, delete, set sound, play, is playing. What you would do here is you would just check is valid. Or okay, all right. So I'm sorry that intermission just screwed me over. What I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna play this. First, we're gonna make sure this is playing, right? So we're gonna walk into Joe's little atmosphere, and we're gonna make sure that sound plays. And then I have to do that over. It's fine. So we're gonna walk and let's see what happens.
Welcome to my tutorial series.
Perfect.
Here you will learn how to create a...
Perfect. It's playing, right? So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a variable. Joe's intro. We're gonna keep it organized. Dialogues. Right? And then we're gonna do a set timer by event. By event. Custom event. Joe's intro is over. Joe's intro is over. Right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna drag this out, get Joe's intro, convert to validate, get his intro is over. And when it's not, and we're going to keep looping this every 0.5 seconds, right? So it's going to keep checking until it's not valid anymore. And when it's not valid, we're going to print a string. Then we're going to delay. I'm sorry, I'm trying to hurry this up because I need a new computer. I had this computer since August 2020, so I need a new one. I need at least a 32 thread ripper or something like that. 32 gigabyte thread ripper, something like that. And then we're going to copy, paste, get the mesh again, same head as well, but we're just going to change the sound to his name. So we're going to wait 3 seconds and then just going to play the sound, and we're going to do another montage. So we're just going to repeat that, and then that's it. So we didn't get to the animation yet, but we're about to get to that. Joe's intro is over. Joe's intro is over. We're gonna green or that color. When his intro is over. Spawn sound attached. Play montage. we're gonna just keep repeating this until it's over, and then when it's not valid, we're gonna play his name, and we are going to play another montage. So the beauty of Voicemaker is I can see exactly how long that dialogue was, if I could find it. But I think it was 22 seconds. I'm pretty sure it was 22 seconds. If not, I might be able to check it here. I think. Yeah, I can check the length. Should be able to check the length somewhere. How long was it? It was 22 seconds. I saw it. It was like 22 seconds. This is like 3 seconds. So what we're going to do now... Actually, let's check this first. Let's make sure the dialogue plays first. And then we're going to do the animations. Then we're going to wrap up the video. So we're walking to Joe's little atmosphere.
Welcome to my tutorial series. Here you will learn how to create a basic controller for a humanoid character. I will go over animation blueprints, character movement logic, data assets, enums, potentially gameplay tags, animation montages, animation notifies, and more. You can call me Joe.
Oh wow, it worked.
You can call me Joe.
Right? So it repeated itself, right? We don't want it to repeat itself. So what we're going to do is clear and invalidate tag. Joe's intro timer. So after, we'll do, it was, 3 seconds was too long. So after that, we're going to get this and clear and invalidate timer. That's it. Clear and invalidate timer by handle. Okay. So right. So I'm gonna go to the parent class. And I added one more thing. I added free look. And all I did was I added another enum called free look. That's it. Added another enum, and then I added a primary data asset called free look. Wait, this isn't free look. Cause free look, it should be zeroed out. Am I crazy? These settings, what's going on? Hold on, let's go back. Whoa, yo, that crash reset all my settings for my data asset. That's crazy. 0, 0, 0. Check. 0. Try this. Free look. Movement speed 350. 600. Okay. Move that to run. Run. 600. 900. Walk. 500. So sprint. Run. Crouch. Movement speed for crouch 150. Acceleration speed 200. Jump velocity 0. You can't jump when you're crouching. 250. Crouch. Alright. All the data assets even got reset. That's crazy. Walk. Alright, rotation of movement. There we go. Let's make sure the movement's working. Cool. Run, crouch, walk.
Welcome to my tutorial series. Here you will learn how to create a basic control.
Okay. Perfect. So, and then Z, right? I said Z to free look, so perfect. Alright. So, Bane. What we're gonna do is free look. Perfect. Okay. So I set this to free look, uncrouch locomotion. Here, right? This is, I added another input key. I press it Z. Not triggered. You want to use started for that. Right. So what's gonna happen is this. What we could do here is when the player character is equal to get player character, actor detected. I'm just gonna add this variable out. Actor detected. And I'll put underscore instead of 2. Actor detected. So when an actor is detected, and this happens, all we're gonna do is cast to. I hate to do this too. We're gonna do this on begin overlap also. So I'm gonna delete all this stuff. We're gonna cast to Bane, the main character. And then we're gonna... Actually, no, we don't... Do we have to cast? Call uncrouch. Locomotion. And we're gonna set it to free look. No, yeah, I have to cast. I have to cast to Bane himself. And then boom. Uncrouch. I'm only going to do this once as well. Do once. And then we're going to set Bane as a variable. Promote Bane to a variable. And then when it's over, when this animation montage is completed or on blend out, what are we going to do? We're going to get uncrouch locomotion. We're going to set it back to walk. Blend out, completed, interrupted, walk. So he'll be able to walk again. So now we're going to tackle the animation montages. Remember, free promo. Voicemaker. This is great. Great. Okay. Cool. I'm still recording. All right. Yeah. Now we're gonna do the last part, and then we're gonna call a custom event here. Actually, it's gonna be called reset dialogue. Reset Joe's intro. And we're gonna call that on in overlap. If it is a character, then it'll be ends overlap. Okay, now we're just gonna create some montages. So back to the mesh. Just select the animation mesh. Then we go to the animations, which is this green running emoji, talking. Can't put too many. There we go. Off of this video. Tough guy. Perfect. No. Not that one. No. That's too expressive. Let's see what expressive looks like. No. Creep, no. Cheesy, no. Casual. Not that. Remember his intro, right? So we're trying to like match the intro. And what does the intro sound like? It sounds like this. Play.
Welcome to my tutorial series. Here you will learn how to...
This is why you need that motion capture suit, so you can just make your own animations and then just upload them to your character. Oh, this is good. This one's good. Browse asset. I'm gonna call this one Joe's intro. Right? Animation montage. Joe's intro. Remember, so we're gonna play this again.
Welcome to my tutorial series. Here you will learn how to create a basic controller for a humanoid character. I will go over animation blueprints, character movement logic, data assets, enums, potentially gameplay tags, animation montages, animation notifies, and more.
Yeah. If you have a motion capture suit, you can easily just make a perfect animation, you know, or you could just have the player. So, and then you could upload the player, the person, the actor, the voice actor's voice, and match it to the animation itself, and then upload it digitally, and then you could be any character you want. You could literally be anybody you want. Right. So remember, it was 22 seconds. So I'll just play with it. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's just a demo. This is what I'm going to use for My Name is Joe, actually. Call it Joe's name. I'm going to go back to Joe. Right here. Boom. My name is Joe. And then the play rate's going to be 0.6. So Joe's name should already be finished. But remember, we have to use the slot or else it won't play. So we're going to have to use the upper body. And then to blend in, blend out. This is very important. This is very important because why is this so important? This is very important because the idle animation doesn't look like this at all. So we want to blend in and blend out the idle animation. I'm going to use 0.4. That's just the sweet spot. I noticed 0.4 is always good. My name is Joe. Yeah, there we go. Should be good. Set a play rate here. I'm gonna affect the play rate in here. My name is Joe. You can call me Joe. Yeah, that's okay. So Joe's name is done. Now we just have to toggle with this one.
Welcome to my tutorial series. Welcome to my tutorial series. Here you will learn how to create a basic controller for a humanoid character. I will go over animation blueprints, character movement logic, data assets, enums, potentially gameplay tags, animation montages, animation notifies, and more.
Delete it. See if 15 looks like. Not that one. And more. No, that's not it. I'll just keep it like this for now. It's just a demo. But I did want to showcase this because with this you can have like your own little talk show host or something. You can do a lot. You could just do a lot. You could do a whole lot. So yeah, 0.45. There we go. Change the slot, upper body. Cool. Play. Cool. Stop. There we go. Cool. Alright, so this is Joe's intro for now. Remember, it lasted 22 seconds, so I'm not sure how long. It needs to last 22 seconds. I think, yeah, this is only 10 seconds, 11 seconds. So what we're going to do is you're just going to affect the player, the rate scale to 0.5. There we go. It needs to last 22 seconds. And then there's one more thing I wanted to show before I end the video. And that's these, but I might do that later. Later after this. Let's just see if it works. Alright, ready? So he's walking.
Welcome to my tutorial series. Here you will learn how to create a basic controller for a humanoid character. I will go over animation blueprints, character movement logic, data assets, enums, potentially gameplay tags, animation montages, animation notifies, and more. You can call me Joe.
Shit, it worked, yo. Oh my god, it worked. It fucking worked. I'll make this 0.6. It worked. Good enough. And then as you can see, like the player couldn't move and shit. So yeah. Right. So yeah, if I put upper body, only the upper body will play. You'll see that. I'm just gonna sprint.
Welcome to my tutorial series. Here you will learn how to create a basic controller for a humanoid character. I will go over animation.
Yeah. Well, this is a bad example. I'll just keep that there for now. No, mark it. Hopefully I remember to come back here. I probably will. Just gonna stick with Bane for now, and I'm even gonna add like the jungle stuff. I'm gonna add guns and stuff eventually, so he could shoot. I'm gonna add AI. So this is gonna be a very long thing, but and then Joe's just gonna be our best friend. Joe's gonna be our best friend. However, the animation montage. Let me just play with that for a little bit more. We'll come back to it. You know what? Which one is this? 18? It's gonna change. Make this 18 again. At the end there. Cool. File save as. Save all. And that's it. R streaming pull size. So I'm going to walk. You see on the top left.
Welcome to my tutorial series. Here you will learn how to create a basic controller for a humanoid character. I will go over animation blueprints, character movement logic, data assets, enums, potentially gameplay tags, animation montages, animation notifies, and more. You can call me Joe.
I should have put like a, oh yeah, you can call me Joe. Something like that. I'm also going to change this to 0.2 seconds. I'm going to remove this debug. Well, actually, no. You can call me Joe. Change it to 1 second. I'm going to change the play rate. I'm going to change the play rate here, outside, so I don't have to keep going in. And I'm going to change it to 0.7. Actually, I'm going to keep it 0.5. 0.5 play rate. There we go. You only want to do this if it's not playing great. So you want to get the dialogue again, Joe's intro. If this is not valid. If it is valid, get it, clear an invalidity timer. So it doesn't play over itself. I'll do it one more time and then I'm going to call it quits.
Welcome to my tutorial series. Here you will learn how to create a basic controller for a humanoid character. I will go over animation blueprints, character movement logic, data assets, enums, potentially gameplay tags, animation montages, animation notifies, and more. You can call me Joe.
But now I can move.
Welcome to my tutorial series.
You know what? I don't want to reset it.
Welcome to my tutorial series. Here you will learn how to create a basic controller for a humanoid character. I will go over animation blueprints, character movement logic, data assets, enums, potentially gameplay tags, animation montages, animation notifies, and more. You can call me Joe.
It's okay. That's it. Do once. And then I'll do like stop direction, start, and all that stuff. I might even tackle just some matching or whatever. But yeah, that's Joe, man. That's This card looks. This is a great character. That's it. Thank you. Thank you for watching.